Hello everyone, welcome back to Shilpa's Home 360, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all one of my favorite collection sarees, and this one is like I got this from Bangalore from Commercial Street. As you all know that I love shopping in Commercial Street Bangalore. So this one I got it from a very small store, and I'm surprised that the way that they have a beautiful collection there. Wish I could have noted down the store name, but next time when I go there I'll definitely post you all the information where I got the sari and everything. And for price, I'm going to reveal the price only at the end of my video. Now let's move on to the sari. So as you see here, the border of the sari, we got this border. It's a very cool border here, and the color combinations is really caught my eye, especially gray silver itself is like awesome. On top of it they have given this light and subtle pink color touch to it. That's where the sari is like to a next level. As you see here, the top border is little smaller when comparative to the bottom border, and the material of the sari is really good actually. For the money that I've spent and the material, it's like nowhere comparison, because I think the money that I've spent is very minimal, but the sari overall workmanship and everything is awesome. And as you see, this is the overall look of the sari. Now let's move on to the pallu. Even the pallu, I was amazed because they have given this grand looking pallu here. So this is the overall grand looking pallu, and from there it started the pallu, and also it did came with the tassels. As you all know, I love tassels, and if you don't get one, I'll definitely make sure that I'll get my sari tassels done. But it got with the tassels. As you see, this is the overall look of the pallu. Subscribers, let me know what you all think, and if you like this sari, please let me know in comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for this sari, I did got a blouse, but I didn't plan on stitching that blouse. So let me show you all what I reused my blouses. So this is the first blouse. This one I got it for my Venkata Giri pattu sari, and look at how well this is matching. I did not share that Venkata Giri pattu sari yet, but I got this work done for that sari, and when I saw this blouse is perfectly matching to this sari, then why me wasting another sari blouse? So that's the reason I didn't stitch any blouse particularly for this sari. I'm just reusing the existing blouses. So this is the first blouse, and just for the hands we got this design, and this is the overall look. Onto the second blouse that I've selected. You all see this one. The main reason that I've selected is we got the pink border, we got the silver pattern here, which I loved it, and gray with silver and pink with silver. What else we can ask for this blouse? So that's why I got this blouse for this. This is my second blouse that I'm matching today. Friends and subscribers, let me know what you all think. And moving on to the third one, I'm trying to get a handloom sari look. If you see the blouse with the tassels and all that, this one is a ready-made blouse. I've already shared with you all this sari already. The main reason that I've selected this one, even though this is like a peach color, but it really matched very well to the overall sari design. And also we got this gray work with this light pink. Again, mix and match, meaning you don't have to pin match it. Mix and match is like a excellent way and excellent new style nowadays. So that's why I've selected this blouse for as a third blouse. Now let's move on to the jewelry. This jewelry, as you all know, I love making jewelry, so this is one of them, and I loved it actually. Gray with cream color, or gray with gold, or gray with silver color is an excellent match. So I've just added these 3 or 4 beads here, and on top of it I've added this flower pattern here. So this is the overall look, and as you all know, nowadays only the side is the design coming, and then the other sides is just the pattern of just 2 pearl sets and all that. So this is the overall design. See, look at a simple necklace is giving this elegant look. So this is my jewelry here, and then now let's move on to the earrings. These are the earrings I've got long back. I didn't remember exactly, but these ones are all over Shilpa Ramam and Commercial Street. So next time I will definitely make sure where I got it, and I will post that as well in the description box. These are the second earrings, also matched very well. The main reason I was trying to mix and match the silver color today is because our sari is silver pattern, and these are the clip slip-on earrings, as you see here. These also I got it long back from Commercial Street, Bangalore. Now moving on to the third ones. These ones are a perfect match to the first Venkata Giri saree blouse that we have selected. So that's the reason I've selected these. Subscribers, let me know what you all think about these three earrings. Now let's move on to the bangles or bracelets. So the bracelets, I've selected a simple pattern today. No cloth bangles today. This one is a very simple, elegant and decent pearl bangle, and the second one is also I've shared with you all like earlier as well. This is also like a kada type. These are not real gold, and you can even mix and match these two as a one set. And then the third one, since we have a silver earrings and a silver pattern going on all over the sari, so this is one of my favorite kada, so that's why I've mix and match this as our third bangle set. And as you see, the earrings that I've selected are perfectly matching. This one would be a perfect set. Now let's move on to the sari price. The price that I've spent for this sari is around 1800 rupees. Like I mentioned, I bought it in a very small store. They have tons of collections. So friends and subscribers, let me know what you all think about today's video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe so that you can get my latest updates and videos. Thank you so much for watching Shilpa's Home 360. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one everyone. Bye.